Hey my dear super strong men, today we will learn one of the most important, if not the most important thing you can do for your health, for your hormones, for your energy, libido, well-being, for your man superpower. We will learn testicle massage. I know it sounds a little bit funny, but when men have prostate cancer or testicular cancer or any erectile problems, it's not funny. And we should speak about these topics. I'm shy. I'm totally shy now. I kindly ask you for your patience with me if I will giggle a little bit during this process. I take it super seriously, but at the same time, of course, it's a little bit funny demonstrating it. But I know that this will change your life and change your health. And I would not feel good if I wouldn't include this technique in the whole Juicy and Strong program, because the best way to activate the fifth switch of your immune system, your juicy hormones, which are your sexual hormones, is by taking care of your precious golden testicles. So first of all, why should you massage your testicle? And let me tell you, this will not be erotic massage at all. It might be a little bit painful even in the beginning. We will actually, with the massage, you will activate all the stuck energy, stuck fluids in this area and bring circulation, which is the key to health, to this such an important part of your body. So, every month when we women are in our cycle, our body is prepared to have a baby. No matter if we get pregnant or not, our body is like, she will have a baby, she's ovulating. Let's bring the best what she has towards her breasts, so the breasts will later produce milk. This is why we get tender breasts before our period, because our whole body is bringing the best it has towards our breasts. And then when we get period, the body is like, okay, no baby, let's start the whole process one more time. But many times the lymphatic flow and all the energy which has been brought here gets stuck in this area, and this can cause problems with our breast health. Well, with men is the same, but it doesn't happen during a month period. It happens every time after you ejaculate. So every time after the ejaculation, your body is like, okay, we need to start to prepare the best semen ever, because maybe in the next ejaculation, one sperm will win and the baby will come out of it. So your body starts to take the best from wherever you have to produce semen. And every time a man ejaculates, the body starts the process all over, taking the best of the best for preparing the best for the future generation to come. And if your body doesn't have enough of good things for production of the semen, the body starts to borrow the good things, the energy, out of the places which are not good to borrow from, out of the kidney, adrenals, and if the kidney and adrenals are empty, it starts to borrow from the brain. This is why in Taoism they say that for a man each ejaculation is the biggest loss of energy. And this is why in Taoism they also train men, and I can teach you more about this, how to experience orgasm, pleasure, without ejaculation every single time. There is even a special chart according to men's age, how many times per week or later months or later year it's safe and good for a man to ejaculate. Basically, every time you ejaculate, you lose the best of what you have. Oh my God, how many times did I say the word ejaculation, right? Okay, so what is all this connected with the testicle massage? Your testicles are big factories, and each factory needs some maintenance. So basically in Taoism they say that in the testicle is not only the production of hormones, testicles are so important for testosterone, but here is also the production of life force for a man. And at the same time, if this area doesn't get the proper circulation, the energy can also stay stuck here. And if it's stuck, it can start to create problems, serious health problems. So the key for men's health, according to Taoist medicine, is to regularly, once per day or at least once per week, to massage the testicle to let all the stuck energy free, put it back into the circulation so the new energy can come in this area and rejuvenate your juicy sexual hormones. So how to do a testicle massage? This is now the question. Really, this is not like playing with a testicle or erotic thing. You should do it by yourself and basically go around each testicle with a firm touch and massage every single part of each testicle. And on some places, I know this looks funny, but I need to show you. And on some places you might feel pain. And if you will feel pain there, don't skip it. Stay there, breathe through it, and massage it for so long that you will feel the release. You might even feel some areas like they have little grains inside of them. This is where the stuckness is. So just breathe through it, massage it, and then go to the other part, and so on. Master Mantak Chia teaches a lot about testicle massage. It's really the key for rejuvenation of your hormones. So Master Chia even says that every day if a man wants to keep his health and hormones, every day a man should do this massage. The best is maybe before you go to shower, after shower, and just massage it. So at the beginning you might feel like discomfort, you might not like it, but just be aware of the after effect, because so many men experience that after a testicle massage they feel so much more energy, so much more focus. Some men say that they do a testicle massage before they go to write their book or write their presentation or before they have an important meeting, because it's like better than coffee, better than anything. So I really recommend you to try this. And of course, write to me how it was, how do you feel, but you will really see the effects and the benefits. Just remember, your touch needs to be firm enough and massage the whole area on all the sides. So let me see if I did it correctly. This is like the fun part for the end. What did I put inside? Now that I'm filming, I'm in New Zealand, so I put a national fruit of this country inside. It's a kiwi. See? The kiwi didn't break. It's a ripe one. It didn't break, so you can see my fingertips, but I didn't break it. So I did good. The pressure needs to be firm, but not too strong. So I wish you good luck and good juicy hormones, and you will see this will rejuvenate your prostate, your testicles, and your life.